take a look at how much I've earned on this platform called CPA Grip. And guys, this is actually how much I earned on this platform just by using some numerous strategies to promote my CPA marketing offers. And in this video, I'm going to show you one out of the numerous strategies right here on which you can go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers right now. And the cool thing about this is that it's going to be a black hat method which you can actually take advantage of right now and start doing this right now. But for a black hat method, that actually means it's not quite ethical, but you can get your account banned if you do go on to doing it on some kinds of platforms. So you want to just simply watch this video right here to the end and learn this particular strategy. So first of all, what you want to do right now is to head on to Google right here, and maybe you do want to go on to searching for logos. And if you do search for logos right now, you'll be able to see numerous logos which you could take advantage of right now. And guys, maybe I do want to just simply come right here and select a particular type or category of logo right here. Maybe I'm just going to select this type of category right now. You can see multiple logos which I can just simply go on to downloading. Supposing I click on this logo right now, I can just simply right click on this and go on to clicking on save image as. And once I do that right there, I can then just simply go on to downloading that particular logo on my device. So right now that logo has been downloaded on my device. I'm just going to go on to doing that for about 3 more logos right here. So once you download about 4 logos right now, you then want to head on to this platform right here, which is called the Drive or Google Drives right now. And if you do head down to the drive.google.com, otherwise known as Google Drive, you could then just simply go on to coming right here to this section, click on this plus icon or this new icon right here. If you do that, you want to just simply go on to clicking on new folder. And right now you want to just simply go on to naming your folder something related to that particular logo. So I'm just going to give it something like logo samples. And if I do give this logo samples right now, I'm just going to go on to create, clicking on create, and I'm going to go on to selecting that particular file right now or folder. If I do double click on that, I can then just simply come right here, click on new also, and do go on to clicking on file upload. And right now you want to just simply select the logos which you did actually download right here. As you can see, I'm actually uploading the 4 logos right now on this particular platform, and the 4 of them has actually been uploaded right now. So what you want to do right now is to come onto this section, click on this particular drop down arrow, click on share right now, and you want to also click on share right here. So if you do that right here guys, you could then just simply go on to changing the general access to something like anyone with a link, and you could also go on to maybe changing this right here to maybe the editor or viewer. I'm just going to leave that on viewer right now. Once that is done, I can just simply copy the link to this page and click on done. So once you do copy the link to this page right now or to this particular drive, you then want to just simply head onto a CPA marketing platform like the CPA Grip right here. So if you do head onto CPA Grip, you can then just simply go on to creating an account if you don't have one by clicking on register. If you do click on register, you'll be brought to this page where you do have to go on to filling out this form right here. And this form is quite easy for you to go on to fill out your name and other basic details right here. But guys, you can just simply focus more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs right here, as it actually indicates the required field which you must go on to filling out before your account can get created on such platforms. And you can actually do go on to this section which says publisher type, either select the website / incense or the GPT. And if you do select that, it helps you get your account approved almost immediately. You could read through the terms of services by clicking on this icon right now, and you could then just simply check out all these boxes for you to go on to agreeing to the terms of services before going on to registering for this platform. And guys, if you do that right now, you could then just simply log into your account. And if you do log into your account right here, you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. What you want to do right now is to go onto the monetization tools and click on URL file locker, because we're going to be utilizing that right now. You want to click on create new URL file locker, go on to agreeing to the terms of services and click on continue. And once you do click on continue right now guys, you then want to just simply go on to maybe giving this a name right here. So I'm also going to give that something like logo samples. So once I do give it a name such as that right here, I'm going to go into the template section and select this human verification template I'm going to head back to the general, and I'm just going to come right here to this section which says locked URL. Right here I'm going to paste in the link to that particular Google Drive, which is actually this particular drive right now. So if I do paste in the link to that drive on my content locker or URL file locker locked URL, I'm just going to head on to editing this page based on my preference, and once I'm done, I'm going to come right here and click on save. And once I do click on save right now, guys, my URL file locker has actually been created. You can see that right here. If I do click on get link, I can actually do get the link to this URL file locker and try as much as possible to promote that. So once you do get the link to this locker, what you want to do right now is to just simply create a landing page right here. So I'm just going to go on to creating a simple landing page using this platform called the Google Docs, or otherwise known as the docs.google.com. And right now you want to click on this plus icon right here to actually do go on to creating one from scratch. So you could then just simply type in something like this which says click the link below to check out our logo samples, and I'm just going to come down to this section. Maybe I'm just going to go on to typing in something like click here. And if I do type in something like that, I'm going to go on to centralizing this entire text right here. And once I do centralize that right now, guys, maybe I'm just going to go on to making this top section bold, and I actually do go on to increasing the font size, or maybe I'm just going to leave that as it is right here. But for this section, I'm going to go on to reducing the font size right now, and I'm just going to highlight that. Come right here to this link section, and you want to paste in the link to that particular URL file locker. So if I do head back to CPA grip, copy the URL file locker and head back to that particular Google Docs right now, I'm just going to go on to pasting that in right in this section. And once I do paste that, I'm going to click on apply. And once somebody do go on to clicking on this section, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker right here. So what you want to do right now is to come right here, click on file, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on share. And if you do click on share or download right now, sorry, if you do click on download, you then want to just simply go on to selecting the PDF document. And in a matter of some seconds right there, the PDF document will actually be downloaded on your device. So once this is downloaded on your device, you then want to just simply go on to getting a lot of traffic using this simple strategy right now. So you could head on to this platform right here called the freelancer.com right here. And on this platform, you do get to go on to hiring freelancers to actually do a specific task for you, or you could also go on to becoming a freelancer and start offering a specific gig right there for people to go on to patronizing you right now. As you can see, you could hire the best freelancers for any job online. It is actually the world's largest freelance marketplace. Any job you can possibly think of, you could go to saving up to 90% and get quotes for free, and you could also go on to paying only when you're 100% happy. So right now, guys, you want to just simply go on to clicking on the hire freelancer, and if you do click on hire freelancer right there, you should be brought to this page right here where you want to just simply go on to giving your project a name right now. So right here in this project name, I'm just going to go on to typing in something like build us a logo. And if I do type in that, I'm just going to click on next right here. And right now, guys, you could then just simply go on to selecting either one of these. As you can see, you could help you craft perfect project description for answering 3 quick questions right here. And you can see the questions. You want to input the field or client to manually put in the name, or you want to just simply go on to preferring not to disclose, you haven't decided yet, or others. So I can just simply go on to inputting the section to actually do go on to maybe inserting my description right now. And for my description, guys, you want to just simply type in something simple like that. You could just simply leave that as it is, and you could just simply go on to what style do you prefer for your logo right here. Select all these sections, and once you're done, I'm just going to skip on to this section right here, and I could just simply come right here and click on to write my own description. For that, I'm just going to go on to pasting a simple description right here which says, hi everyone, we are opening an online company and we need a high quality logo for our company. You will find an attached PDF file where you will find some logo samples. You have to download those samples and have to ensure that you are qualified for our project right there. And if you actually do that right now, you want to just simply go on to clicking on attach file, And for that attached file, you want to just simply select that PDF right there, which you do downloaded from the Google Docs right there. And once you do download that right now, guys, you can then just simply go on to taking advantage of that right here. So once that file has been attached, I'm just going to click on next right now. You want to just simply select what skills are actually required right here. Select the skills required. Once you're done, you can select this section which says how would you like to get it done right here, either for the post as a project or to start contents right there. And once you actually do go on to filling out all these sections right here, your ad or that particular gig will actually be uploaded on this platform. And once you do go on to getting individuals that are actually interested in that, they actually do go on to completing such offers, and you do make money right there by doing so, because they do intend on getting that particular logo that is actually locked in that particular locked URL. And guys, you could use this strategy to start making a lot of money online right now. But the thing about this is that it's not ethically quite good right here, because once you actually do get caught, or they do go on to noticing that right here, they're actually going to go on to banning that particular account. So it's quite better you actually do go on to using a normal way right now. And once you actually do follow this particular strategy, you can go on to promoting your offer and start making money online. So guys, I hope this black hat method was helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.